Okay, let's proceed to your first official. 3-3, 3-3-3. Alright? Get ready, Christian. In 3, 2, 1, go! That's a bad run, alright? That's a bad run for your first official try, Christian. You still have 2 more chances. Get ready for your second official try. Alright, in 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, sayang yan. 2.27 seconds sana. Kaso hindi natumba yung isang baso. Alright, another 4 stop. Christian, make sure your final try will be a good one. Kasi for the first 2 tries, wala ka pang nai-record na time. Alright? So, final chance. Get ready. In 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, that's a good run. 2.52 seconds. Alright, now let's proceed to your 363, Christian. 363 tayo, Christian. Are you ready? Okay. In 3, 2, 1, go! It's a good run again for Christian. 2.84 seconds. Alright, very good, Christian. Second official try tayo, 360, second official try. Alright. Get ready. Get set. Go! Okay, that's a bad run. That's a fumble not fixed. Scratch number 4. Okay, that's a bad run. Red card for your number 2 try. Okay, final try tayo, Christian. Final try for 363. Get ready. Get set. Go! Oh, sayang yan. Natumba. So, that's another red card. Sayang yan. 2.56 seconds. Sana yan. Alright, thank you very much, Christian. Now, let's proceed to your cycle stops. Warm-ups. Okay, tapos na yung warm-up mo, Christian. Now, let's proceed to your first official try for your cycle stocks. Okay? Get ready, Christian. In 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, very good. First try, 10.30 seconds. Alright, second try tayo, Christian. Second try. Remember that your fastest time out of your 3 tries will be recorded as your best time. Alright? Second try tayo, Christian. Get ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, that's so fast. 8.03 seconds. Pero meron kanina, 7 seconds lang eh. So, you still have to beat that time. Okay? 8.03 seconds for your second try, Christian. Alright? Mas bilisan mo pa konti. Okay? Final try na tayo, Christian. Final try. Get ready. In 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, sayang. Alright, full stop. Crash number 6. Sorry, thank you, Christian.